Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are someone who is still waiting for people to help you, support you, or save you, stop. Because the truth is, no one is coming. No one is coming to fix your problems. No one is coming to fight your battles. And the sooner you accept this reality, the stronger you will become. Your life will change only when you stop depending on others and start depending on yourself. This video is not meant to hurt you. It's meant to wake you up. Because the day you stop waiting for help is the day you truly take control of your life. So listen carefully, because by the end of this video, you may discover a power within yourself that you never knew existed. Lesson 1. Accept reality. Life is not always fair. Sometimes people leave. Sometimes promises are broken. Sometimes the people you expected the most support from disappear when you need them. And that hurts. But accepting reality is the first step toward becoming stronger. The truth is simple. No one will care about your dreams as much as you do. No one will fight for your future as hard as you can. That responsibility belongs to you, and once you accept the truth, you stop waiting and start building. Lesson 2. Take full responsibility. The moment you take responsibility for your life, your power returns. Stop blaming your past. Stop blaming circumstances. Stop blaming people. Yes, life may have been difficult. Yes, you may have suffered, but your future is still in your hands. You cannot control what happened yesterday, but you can control what you do today, and today's actions create tomorrow's reality. Lesson 3. Stop seeking validation. Many people waste years trying to gain approval. They want everyone to believe in them. They want everyone to support their dreams. But you don't need permission to become successful. You don't need applause to move forward. Sometimes you must walk alone. Sometimes you must believe in yourself before anyone else does. Remember this: self-belief is more powerful than outside approval. Lesson 4. Use pain as fuel. Pain is unavoidable. Every person experiences heartbreak, rejection, failure, and disappointment. But pain can either destroy you or develop you. Strong people use pain as fuel. They learn from it, they grow through it, and they come back stronger. Instead of asking, "Why me?" ask, "What can I learn from this?" Because every difficult experience carries a lesson. Lesson 5. Discipline is more important than motivation. Motivation comes and goes. Some days you feel inspired, some days you don't. But discipline stays. Discipline means doing what needs to be done even when you don't feel like doing it. Wake up. Do the work. Stay consistent. Keep going. Success belongs to those who remain consistent long after motivation disappears. Lesson 6. Stop fearing failure. Failure is not the opposite of success. Failure is part of success. Every successful person has failed. Many times. What separates successful people from others is simple. They refuse to quit. Failure teaches. Failure strengthens. Failure prepares you for future victories. Never let one failure define your entire life. Lesson 7. Protect your mind. Your mind is your greatest asset. Protect it. Be careful about what you watch. Be careful about what you listen to. Be careful about the people you spend time with. Negative environments create negative thinking. Positive environments create growth. Feed your mind with wisdom, hope, and powerful ideas. Because your thoughts shape your reality. Lesson 8. Learn to be alone. Many people fear loneliness, but being alone is not weakness. Sometimes solitude is necessary for growth. When you're alone, you discover yourself. You understand your dreams. You find clarity. You build inner strength. Never be afraid to walk alone. Great journeys often begin in solitude. Lesson 9. Focus on progress. Do not compare your journey with others. Everyone moves at a different pace. Focus on becoming better than you were yesterday. Small improvements every day create extraordinary results over time. Progress matters more than perfection. Keep moving forward. Even small steps count. Lesson 10. Trust yourself. There will be times when nobody supports you. Nobody believes in you. Nobody understands your vision. Trust yourself anyway. Believe in yourself anyway. Keep going anyway. Because sometimes your belief is all you need. Remember how many difficult situations you have already survived. You are stronger than you think. You have overcome challenges before. You can do it again. Final message. Stop waiting for people to save you. Stop waiting for perfect conditions. Stop waiting for the right time. The right time is now. Your future is being created by the choices you make today. Take responsibility. Take action. Believe in yourself. Stay disciplined. And never give up, because the power you're searching for has always been inside you. You're stronger than your fears. You're greater than your past. And you are capable of creating an extraordinary life. So rise. Fight for your dreams. Trust yourself. And become the person you were always meant to be. If this message inspired you, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and subscribe to our channel for more powerful motivational content. Thank you for watching, and remember, no one is coming to save you. You are your own hero.